So moving on to the voir dire motion the other day, or the voir dire hearing in response to the Commonwealth's renewed motion for reciprocal discovery and motion to exclude defendant's expert, Dr. Marie Russell. So the Commonwealth was alleging violations of Rule 14's reciprocal discovery requirement, and the Commonwealth asked for exclusion of Dr. Russell. I did find and do find that there was a violation of the reciprocal discovery obligations of the defendants. I was looking for a remedy. You called it a sanction, Mr. Jackson, but I called it a remedy. And I did tell counsel, as you know, at sidebar a couple of times, at least last week, that I did not want to exclude the testimony if I did not have to. So we had the voir dire, and I'm satisfied that the voir dire provided the Commonwealth the information that the defense should have provided the Commonwealth. So I am going to allow Dr. Russell to testify, but her testimony is very limited, and I think you even sort of acknowledged it the other day, Mr. Jackson. So she'll be allowed only to opine whether or not the marks on John O'Keefe's arm were the result of an animal attack. I find that she is a medical doctor. She's an experienced ER doctor, albeit, several years ago since she's worked in that capacity, but that she does have specialized knowledge in that field that may assist the jury in this regard. But she can't testify as an expert on police activity. There'll be none of that. And she will not be able to testify as to what the injuries are inconsistent with. She cannot testify that they're inconsistent with having been struck by a vehicle, road rash, scratches from broken glass, or taillight matter, or anything else. So that's beyond the scope of which she can testify. The second part of the Commonwealth's motion, Commonwealth argued that they were not provided reciprocal discovery regarding the biomechanical engineers and others, but specifically ARCCA, Dr. Wolf, and Dr. Rentschler. And I do find, though I understand why the defense didn't respond, but it is a violation of Rule 14, so we had this voir dire. The Commonwealth was looking to see what each person did, their independent opinion, what their testimony would be, and whether they were qualified to render the opinions that they qualified. So from what I heard the other day, Dr. Wolf can testify to what his involvement. Dr. Rentschler, though, I have some concerns. It's clear to me that in Massachusetts, biomechanical engineers are not qualified to testify as to medical causation of an injury. Only an MD can do that. So I'm going to reserve ruling on the rest of his testimony. There are certain things he can testify, and I'll hear you again before he testifies next week. Let's just proceed with the trial today. So, yes, Your Honor. Okay, so those are my rulings. Are they clear, Mr. Jackson? Yes, are they clear, Mr. Lally?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so are they ready to come in? Yes. Thank you.